So I'm going to do the door now. Most of this rosewood crossbanding's intact and okay, except for these two bits at the top. That's mahogany and it's running the wrong way. It's clearly not thick enough. Why they did it like that, I don't know. How to glue that in just on its edge without it falling out. It'd just be a lot easier to pack it, but it's going the wrong direction. It's wrong wood, so the closest I've got is this, which I'm going to use again. So I'll put a piece in there and I'll chop that out. It's actually quite thick, so that should be okay. Right, this is a bit confusing. There's a big piece of steel there, which I think has been used to strengthen that joint. There's another piece there, I don't know what that is either. I don't think I can excavate all of that without destroying the corner. I might just have to chop as much as I can out, splice bits in, and then over the top. I mean, the corner's strong enough, but I just don't know what they've done there. This is actually a nail that's been put in that way. Let's see if I can pull it through and push it. Right, I managed to get it out. Made a mess of that, but that doesn't matter, that's not a worry. We'll keep the bit of crossbanding on the top, chisel all this out, put another piece in, get that nice and strong again, and put that back on, and the missing bit. The glue's dried on that, so that needs trimming up. I've put in some crossbanding here, so that needs skimming down. And I'm not sure how good this joint is now. I've taken all those nails out, so I'm going to drill a 3mm hole in and just put a dowel in, just to make sure it holds it together. It's better than a nail. Nails are not really very good at this. I need a longer piece than that. I've glued the original bit back on in the corner. After I cleaned all the glue off, I had to pack it up with a little bit of veneer to get it flush at the top. So that's the top corner done. They get damaged because it's where the hinge goes. So the one at the bottom looks okay on the front, but underneath it's got quite a few holes in it. There's a few nails in there. There's one going in from the front there. These all need taking out and chopping out, some fresh timber going in. I've dug enough out there. I've cut a little piece to glue in, and then I'll have a good fix in there for the hinges. This top was usually nailed in, but I've got some old screws, so I'm going to screw it on so it'll be a bit stronger. I think 4 of those should do it. That's fine. I've got to do the same on the top one and then decide what shape to cut this, whether to have it straight like that or the more usual style. That's the top one in, using the same hole, so all I need to do now is take them off and cut them to shape. I've cut the first one, that's the only bit you see. It's the same shape, more or less, as the old one, up to there. So I'll transfer that pattern onto the other one and cut that out. That one's done. This one just needs the edge beveling, polishing up. They both need aging, and then they can be screwed onto the hood door. So that's the door on. So that's the hood finished now, apart from the polishing.